The obvious conclusion to what we've discussed so far is maximize the origin of change from within. To ensure this success, the changes must be logically sound, and the creation of the shape of the change must be internal to the maximum extent possible. In other words, invented here and participatory. Here's a little goal tree indicating the dependent components of successful internally developed change. In order to maximize the origin of change from within, we need to develop logically sound changes. We also need to ensure that development is internal. In order to develop logically sound changes, we must have a logical change development method. And here's a hint, you just spent countless hours learning such a logical method. But as you can see from this goal tree, that's not enough. In order to ensure that change development is internal, you need a process for inventing it internally, and you also need participation of those affected.